Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and I want to talk about something that a lot of people are wondering. Is there a something better using one email than another? There's tons of emails, but here I'll concentrate of what is probably the two most popular email services: Gmail, and this is the new Gmail interface, by the way, and Outlook, which also has a refreshed email interface. So of course both are free services that you can actually create a online presence with an email if you need to have an email, and they have their own capabilities, their own positive, negative points. What I would say is it all depends on what you use and what you will be doing with the account. So for example, a Windows 10 user might want to open an Outlook account because if they want to have a Microsoft account linked to their Windows machines and have the sync capabilities between all of it, well, that will add that capability and will add a lot of the features that will work within the different machines you might have. If you have a Windows 10 machine at home, another Windows 10 machine say in an office somewhere, well, having the same Microsoft account and especially one with Outlook will give you the maximum amount of flexibility within the sync or the synchronization of your accounts. As for the rest, you know what, it's really a question of preference, honestly, because it's either you like or you hate the interface, either you like what it has to offer or not, and just play with it and see what it looks like. The interface on Outlook is better than it used to be. Outlook used to be a little sluggish in its old version, and by the way, if you haven't moved to the new version of Outlook.com, do so. You will find that the inbox and the Outlook experience is so much better with the new experience. They've really made the interface go much faster. Before, it was sluggish, it was complicated to, when you were going through emails and doing things, there was always this little moment of, you got to wait for that and you got to wait for this. And if your computer is a little slow, well, you'd wait even more. Well, they really improved it, I got to say. For the Gmail option, well, you know what, if you use Google Chrome everywhere, and if you use even more services with Google, of course, a Gmail is the way to go because that's how it's going to synchronize everything, including your favorites in your browser if you're using Google Chrome. So once again, question of preference. It's up to you. It also supports a clean interface. I've always kind of favored Gmail a little more for a long time because of how fast and how the interface is really, really fast, crisp, and I like it. One of the biggest problems that I find for most people that aren't used to doing things, there's a lot of things that are kind of difficult to really check out here and difficult to understand on Gmail. So Gmail has always used these little icons to show you how to do things and how to share something, how to transfer a message, which has always been one of the main complaints on the user part, because there's no words really used, where in Outlook they prefer using the send, the attach, the discard. They use words a lot of, it kind of make it a little clearer for people that are not sure what they're doing, and so that's something you might want to think also. And by the way, both offer a online storage capability. So if you got a Gmail account with an Gmail email, you've got the availability of the Google Drive to put stuff in there. If you do so with a Outlook account, then you will have OneDrive that will have some storage available for you. So both are very useful. And one very nice thing is if you have documents from people in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but you don't have any of these Office suite, well, you know what? Suite. What's interesting here is both Gmail with Google Docs and Outlook will open these documents and show you, and you'll even be able to modify them. So it's kind of cool for that. But you know, all in all, it's a question of preferences. So just, you know, choose which one you like the best. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.